Hi kids! Welcome to Miss Halif's channel where you can study English easily because English is easy, English is fun. In today's video, let's talk about housework vocabulary. Which one do you usually do at home? Number 1. Do the laundry. I need to do the laundry today. Number 2. Iron. She needs to iron her clothes before going to school. Number 3. Water the plants. I have to water the plants before I go on vacation. Number 4. Put away clothes. I put away my clothes after doing the laundry. 5. Clean the bathroom. I have to clean the bathroom before the guests arrive. 6. Pick up toys. I always remember to pick up my toys before bedtime. 7. Sweep the floor. After dinner, I will sweep the floor to clean up the crumbs. 8. Do the dishes. He did the dishes after the dinner party. 9. Clean. Yesterday, I helped my mom to clean the entire house before my guests arrived. 10. Do the vacuuming. She does the vacuuming 3 times a week. 11. Take out the trash. We always take out the trash after dinner. What household chores do you help with? Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye!